Jumping rope gives you stronger lungs, helping you breathe better. And this is undoubtedly one of the best parts about jumping rope. The American Lung Foundation actually recommends jumping rope as one of its options to help your lungs function better. To understand how jumping rope helps you breathe better, first you gotta understand the mechanics of breathing. Breathing is a complex process that involves many different muscles and organs in your body. When you breathe in, your diaphragm contracts and moves downward, allowing your lungs to expand and fill with air. When you breathe out, your diaphragm relaxes and moves upwards, pushing the air out of your lungs. Healthy lungs are essential for breathing and delivering oxygen to the body's cells, which is crucial for all bodily function. Having healthy lungs have many benefits in your life, and here's a few. Good functioning lungs can improve athletic performance and endurance as well as overall fitness levels. Healthy lungs can reduce the risk of lung diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, lung cancer, and asthma. They also reduce the risk of other health issues, such as heart diseases and stroke, as good lung function is linked to a healthy cardiovascular system. Healthy lungs can improve sleep and reduce the risk of sleep apnea and other breathing-related sleep disorders. They also help to remove waste products such as carbon dioxide from the body. They can also improve on overall quality of life by enabling individuals to engage in physical activities, traveling to high altitude locations, and enjoy life to the fullest. Jumping rope is an excellent cardiovascular exercise, which can help strengthen the muscles involved in breathing. When you jump rope, your body needs more oxygen to fuel your muscles, which means your heart and your lungs have to work harder to deliver that oxygen. Over time, this increased demand for oxygen can help strengthen your lungs and make your lung capacity greater. In addition to improving your lung capacity, jumping rope can also help you out with your endurance. When you jump rope, you use many different muscles. And if you're not sure about all of the muscles involved in jumping rope, check the video I have down below. But this can help out with your overall fitness and stamina. Increasing both your fitness and stamina helps you out and helps you breathe better, which can help you get in shape fast. This will also help you out with other activities like running or cycling. If you're interested in jumping rope to improve your breathing, there's a few things you should keep in mind. Start slow. If you're new to jumping rope, it's important to start slow. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This will help you avoid injury and ensure you're able to maintain proper form throughout your workout. Next, focus on breathing. While you're jumping, it's important to focus on your breathing. Try to take deep, slow breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. This will help ensure that your body is getting the oxygen it needs to perform at its best. Next, you want to mix it up a little bit. You want to do a couple tricks helping keeping your body engaged in the workout. Now, do you want to learn a few new tricks to help you stay engaged? Check this video out right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.